Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Toyota Yaris fuel filter. First, gather all your essential tools and safety equipment, like safety glasses and gloves. It is crucial to work in a well-ventilated area. We will cover locating the filter, depressurizing the system, and safely removing the old component. This guide will help you complete the task efficiently and safely, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly. Now, let's depressurize the fuel system. First, find your vehicle's fuse box and remove the fuel pump fuse or relay. Then, start your engine and let it run until it completely stalls out. This action releases all the pressure in the fuel lines. Next, using a flare nut wrench, carefully loosen the fuel line connections on the old filter. Be sure to have a drain pan ready to catch any remaining fuel. With the old filter removed, it is time to install the new one. Pay close attention to the flow arrow on the new filter. It must point in the direction of fuel flow towards the engine. Carefully connect the fuel lines to the new filter, ensuring a snug fit. Tighten all connections to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications. A proper seal is vital to prevent leaks and ensure safe operation. For our final steps, reinstall the fuel pump fuse or relay back into its slot. Before starting the engine, turn the ignition to the on position for a few seconds, then off, repeating this 3 or 4 times. This primes the fuel system. Finally, start your Toyota Yaris and carefully inspect all connections for any fuel leaks. Remember to dispose of the old filter and any spilled fuel responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.